Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton, and in today's video we're going to be talking about this cool new app called Clubhouse, guys. No, they didn't pay me. No, this isn't an ad. No, this isn't anything like that. I just got invited to the app. We're going to get a little bit more into that and how that works, but I just thought it was super cool. So I'm just going to put up a little screen recording right here. Let me just scoot over. So I'm just going to screen record my phone. Give me one moment. Alrighty, bingo bongo bango. So as you can see right here up in the corner, there's Clubhouse. You click on it, you go into it, and it looks exactly like this, exactly how you see it on the screen. I'm still figuring out a lot of it. This is my bio. This is like my account. This is how people see me. These are my followers. These are my following. This is my account name. I'm just called Merrill. It's pretty cool. I got my name. Okay, now that we're back, so that's my account. This is pretty much what it looks like. To be honest, I'm still figuring it out. I got invited by my dad. What happens is you get like an invite link. I'm pretty sure, yep, you click right here. And then just like, so you can't see my contacts, I have 3 invite links. I don't really know how to use them. I think I just like click on one of them. Yeah, but I'm not gonna show you guys my contacts, so yeah. Here we have upcoming for groups that I'm in. To be honest, I think this is pretty dope, just so I remember, to be honest. And I can like ding myself or like give me a notification. You know, like follow all the speakers, like all this kind of cool stuff. I can create something, kind of just like Google. And here, this is activity. This is pretty much just like somebody followed you, somebody said, hey, somebody said like, what's up? Somebody just joined. I don't really like that it tells me that somebody joined, but other than that, I think it's pretty dope. So right here, we can scroll down and click explore, and you can kind of just like look through rooms that you kind of like think are cool. At the very beginning of the app, I don't know if I can, yeah, here we go. Interests, you like choose a few interests that you like. I think you can only pick 3? No, you can pick as many. Okay, for the third freaking time, so let me start a new screen recording again, because people keep calling me because they just want to. Okay, so these are your interests. I don't know how many you can actually pick. Let's figure this out. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's just pick like everything. Excuse me, I don't want anything in the life. Let's just pick hustle, small business, stocks, Instagram, new TikTok, networking. So you can pick like a ton. Actually want to keep stocks. That one's actually pretty cool. You can pick like COVID-19, math, like school. If you need help with school, I bet there's tons of people on school. Identity, you could pick like, I think you can pick like your age group. I think there might be only 2. 4 age groups. Where is it? Millennials, Gen Z, Gen X, and baby boomers. So that's pretty cool. You can pick like if you're like whatever you are, if you're a girl, if you're a dude, I think. I don't know what anything else means, but yeah, it's kind of cool. You can pick what language you speak, all this kind of cool stuff, like tech stuff, hanging out, all this kind of stuff, like music, comedy, like storytelling, celebrities, like, and then you can just join a room and you just talk about it. I don't think, yeah, I'm trying to join this room right now, just, it won't let me join the room. I don't think it'll let me join the room while I'm screen recording. I think that might be due to the fact that like privacy reasons, but as you can see, like there's like YouTuber meetups, behind the scenes comedy, full-time hobby, like 10, and you just like join and you can listen in, or you can like raise your hand. There's like a little button to raise your hand. And let me see if I can start my own room. Start a room. Let's just do closed. But yeah, once you start a room, you can like, it won't let me start a room. I don't know why. But you can like raise your hand and then people can invite you, like the moderator. The moderator is just like the person that started it. But once they've done that, then you guys can talk, you can mute yourself. It's kind of like a Zoom call or like a phone call with like a bunch of people, but you know, it's got like specific topics and like all this kind of stuff. And I think it's a great way to connect with people and make connections with bigger audience, bigger people with bigger audiences and with people that have people that will listen to them. I think it's let's stop screen recording just so it's not 10 minutes long. I think it's super cool, in my opinion. I think it's dope. I have a lot of fun with it. It's not, again, this is not a paid advertisement. This isn't a brand deal. This isn't anything like that. I just kind of like, I bet there's a ton of people Googling it because I still am learning about it, and I was kind of just like, let's just make a video about it. You know, hopefully it'll help you guys out. If you do have any other questions about it, maybe I can help them out. And I do have 3 invite links, so if you do want an invite link, make sure to comment down below that you want an invite link, and maybe I'll send you one. I don't know how that'll work because I'll have to give you my number, but whatever, we'll figure something out. So yeah, it was kind of a shorter video, I think. Hopefully it was hopefully it was cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful. If it helped you learn more about Clubhouse, well, that's pretty dope. Again, it wasn't paid for this or anything. I just thought, you know, maybe people want to know more about it. And hopefully you did. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, adios, homies.